God, this is bullshit. You know what? Maybe we need a Water Systems Operator 3. Or what do they call them now? Whatever. We need a beer systems technician. Well, fuck. Put it loose. Maybe it doesn't need to be tight. Huh?
Weren't you supposed to go pick up your dad?
No, I'm going to meet my dad.
Weren't you supposed to go meet him somewhere?
I'm stressing him out. But really, he's the one with faulty equipment. Well, I do too. It's called erectile dysfunction, but that's a story for another day. Oh, you're so adorable when you concentrate. Well, while you're messing with that, I'll just
Don't you have an office to go to or something?
I'll just grab one of these.